Welcome to Campers RV Center, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory. Many standard and optional features, and much more. For more than 30 years, Campers RV Center has been helping our friends and neighbors find the perfect RV for their adventures. Our staff of knowledgeable and friendly RV enthusiasts is focused on fulfilling your dreams so you can take home the RV that is just right for you. We also have a wide variety of financing options to meet almost every customer's needs. So come see us today. Campers RV Center. The fun life starts here.